Welcome to Expected Tutorial. Today we're going to do something about database. We're going to learn how to create database and tables. We are going to use a studio called Microsoft SQL Management Studio. So before, please try to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that any updates you get it. So now let's open our Management Studio here. Actually, we have two sessions. We are going to treat both sessions. We have the user interface and we have the one with the query. So now we're going to try using both the user interface and then the query. So let's start with the user interface. With the user interface, right click on the database here. Right click on it, then you select new database. So that it will open a form for you that you provide the database name. So let's say for this tutorial, let's use test one. We are using test one for the database. So let's write test one. That is the database name for this tutorial using the user interface. Okay, so now we click on OK. Okay, so that is right here, and now we know how to use the user interface to create our database. Let's try using the query for the creation of the database. Okay, now we go to new query. So you click on the new query to open an interface for you like this. So what we are going to do now is to write the command, and this is the command: create database. Create database. Then we give the database name. With the UI, that is the user interface, we used test1 for the database name, and then we are going to use test2 for the database name to separate both databases. Okay, so now let's write our database name, test2. Then we terminate it like this. After that, we can select it and then click on the execute button. We click on it, and now our database is created completely. So it's not reflecting here, and we are going to refresh the database so that it will reflect here. Now we can refresh our database. Okay, now we are having a new database, that is test2. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We will do more database here. Thank you.